Want to set your child up for financial success? Here's how to open their first investment account in South Africa. It's easier than you think. Step 1. Choose a platform. Satrix, EasyEquities, or Allan Gray offer accounts for minors starting from just 500 Rand. Step 2. You'll need their ID or birth certificate and your own ID. Step 3. Set up a monthly debit order. Even 300 Rand a month becomes 120,000 Rand in 10 years with compound growth. Start with 300 Rand a month. By the time they're 18, they'll have over 120,000 Rand, enough for university, a first property deposit, or starting a business. That's generational wealth. Don't wait. Open their account today. Follow @WealthThroughProperty for more wealth-building tips.